Mona here at Craft Clutch, and today we're doing a review of the Puffy bed frame. This thing right here. We're going to take you through the steps on how to do it. I've got Greg with me, and we're going to just do that today and show you how the bed frame goes together and why we like it.
I'm the official putter togetherer.
And I'm the helper.
Yeah.
Okay, we unboxed all of the bed frame parts in the garage and brought them in. Otherwise, as one box, you need to have two people carry it in, two strong guys. We've got everything taken apart, and I was really taken back by the high quality and the heavy duty construction of the previous bed that we put together, the frame. And this seems to have the same high quality and heavy duty construction before. I'm really impressed with it. The instructions are right here. They're pictorial in nature, where you don't have to read the instructions. And the only thing we need is a Phillips screwdriver or an electric screwdriver with a Phillips head to it. So we're going to start putting it together. Should be fairly simple. All of the parts are here, and we'll put it all together and see what happens. That's how you attach the feet to the footboard. Now I'm going to put these screws in the sideboard. I'm screwing the bracket to the footboard that will hold the sideboards in place. They slide into these brackets. Just like that.
We have the footboard and the two sideboards finished. Now we're going to work on the headboard.
I'm screwing the headboard into the vertical slats that actually at the bottom are the feet to the bed, giving it its full support. So I'm just starting the screws now, and then we have two more boards which we'll show you shortly, which will go in the center and give the support to the back, to the head of the bed. Here we are still at the headboard. To support it, Puffy has supplied two struts, one here and one here in the headboard to go down, that actually has feet on it like the previous struts. So we're going to install these, and then the headboard will be secured. We'll move it in place and we can start to put the frame together for the mattress. Okay, I'm putting the center bed frame pieces together right now. We have to put the feet on them. And again, I'm very impressed with the quality of construction and the heavy duty aspect of what they provide. This is not weak El Cheapo kind of stuff. It's really good quality material. As you can see, I'm sitting on the side bed frame while I'm putting the feet together on the center support frame pieces. And I'm sitting on here, very little wiggle, strong as can be. And here we have one of the two center support pieces that will then be put in place with wood slats connecting them that will take the place of the box springs. So this bed does not require box springs at all. These are the wood slats that we talked about that take place of the box spring. We found out the best way to install them is to first take the piece that goes up against the outside frame, put it in, and then put it into the center piece, plastic piece that holds it together, and put it in place and snap it down. And it's now firmly in place. I will show you again how we're going to do it. Here's a double for the center pieces. Here is the single outside board piece. We have a wood slat, put it into the outside frame piece, install the wood slat into the center piece, drop it in place, snap it down, and we're all there.
If you do both of the sides first, you're going to run into a problem with the middle. So if you leave the one side loose and you feed it into here, and then you can go like this and pop it down right into the middle. We have the bed in place and all the premium slats are installed, and all you have to do is put the mattress on now and we'll be ready to go.
In this frame, the frames come in sizes from full to Cal King. Ta-da!
Noise-free construction. There is no noise when we just jumped on the bed at all.
No, and I didn't feel Mona jump on the bed, so.
I didn't feel Greg land either.
So when you're, if someone gets up there in the middle of the night, you're not going to wake up your partner. The bed frame is so comfortable and cushiony that I can lay here in bed with my head up against the back bedboard and not have a stiff neck out of it, and be able to watch TV in comfort at night while waiting to fall asleep.
And it's perfect for leaning up against while you're reading in bed, or if you're on your computer or some of your electronics. I love the contemporary design and the neutral gray because that will go with any decor. And remember, like all Puffy products, it arrives shipped to your door within 2 to 5 business days. You have a 101 night sleep trial, and there is a lifetime warranty. So you don't have to worry about it if something goes wrong or you're unhappy with it. Puffy stands behind their products.
I'm going to die before the Puffy bed does.
That's a horrible thing to say. You guys, it's been a week since we have been sleeping on the Puffy mattress and this beautiful bed frame, and I can't tell you how pleased we are. It is extremely comfortable, and Greg is a get up at least twice a night kind of guy, and I'm a very light sleeper. On our other mattress, I would wake up when he rolled over. I would wake up if he got out of bed. I would wake up no matter what. Any kind of movement on his side of the bed, I would wake up every single time. And that does not happen anymore, so that is a total blessing. So we are extremely pleased. I think Greg is actually sleeping more soundly and less restless, so that is also great. So I just wanted to give you that update, and if you want more information about the Puffy products, I will have a link down in the description below. Be sure to check out the mattress, the bed frame, their accessories. We're going to have a couple more reviews coming up, so be sure to watch out for them. They have great products, and they stand behind their products. So be sure to check them out, and I will definitely see you next time. Thanks guys for being here. Bye.